I'm gonna put this down. So hold on. I don't know if you can still see something, but we'll see. Golly moly. Okay, one more. We'll get this thing open. Alright, moment of truth. I ain't even touched it, so here we go. So I just cut these sides loose here. Let's open it up. Alright. They have put the packaging. There's the gun. There's the gun. Okay. I don't. They've got the piece in it here. I'm not even gonna touch it right now. I want to see what it says they did. I was a little disappointed because they didn't let me know what was going on. Let's see. Oh crap, I'm dropping paper. Sorry, this is not very organized. Repair or ship, failure to feed. Reaction code. I really don't know what all that means. Okay, this is something. Okay, hold on, here we go. If boxes checked, service performed. So polished it. They cleaned it. Polished the feeder. Is that all they did? Just polished the feeder. Okay. Well, let's see what their version of polishing the feeder ramp is. I'll be disappointed if I get it back and it's still messed up. Let me get this thing disassembled for you. Just a second. Just gonna set this thing so you can maybe see what's going on here. See me at least. Take this off there. They did polish the feeder amp, but I mean, okay, here we go. They did polish it. I just wiped it with my finger. I should have showed you before. It was still dirty from them test firing it. I mean, I'm not that impressed with what they did. They should have just replaced the barrel. I'm trying to get this thing to focus for you so you can see the. There you go. I mean, it still has that little edge there. Let me close it down. Maybe you can see it better. There you go. I mean, look, it's still got that cut edge. Come on, focus now. I can't get it to go a little closer for some reason. Stupid phone. There we go. I mean, they polished it. I have to look at the other pictures. It's not as bad. But anyway, I'm going to shoot it and see what happens. So. Okay. Out here at my shooting area. And fixing to try out the Canik TP9SA for the first time after getting it back. I'll be shooting some Perfecta 115 brass, and some Federal 115 brass. I'm going to do one magazine of each, and we'll do the Perfecta first. Let me get it loaded up. Okay, I'm hoping y'all will be able to see. Load it up. And by the way, while I'm here, there's not one in the gun, by the way. Mostly this, my phone doesn't fall over because this is what I'm filming with. I've heard it said on online that, oh, I shoot with 17 or I shoot with 10 rounds, and oh, the last round's hard to get in. Okay, well, this is 16. You can see right there. I don't know if you can, but 16. Here's 17 and 18. I don't really know what the problem is, but there's 17 and there's 18. I mean, I don't know what's wrong with people saying they can't load it. Something wrong with them, I guess, but I haven't had no problem. So here I go and put my ears on, and hopefully you will be able to see, and if there's any problems, I will immediately stop and show the camera. I'm going to step to the side so hopefully you can see. One in the chamber. Okay. I forgot how crazy good that trigger was. So I was 18, all the way done. And we'll open another round, another mag. Okay, this is the Federal rounds, loaded all the way up. Let me get this camera back down here, so hopefully y'all can see again. I'm not the best filmographer, so, but you get the gist. Okay, I'm gonna, there we go, can you still see that? Yeah, I think that'll be good right there. And this is a different magazine, by the way. I'm trying 2 separate mags, so we're loading. Put my ears on, and I'm shooting a AR 500 half-inch thick steel 12-inch plate. It's actually my brother-in-law's. He hung it out here. So that's just what I'm shooting for now. Just trying the gun out. So let's get over a little bit. Looks like in the last video I didn't get over enough. So here we go. Load it up. Alright. Another success. Man, that's an awesome shooting gun. I forgot how awesome that was. Can you see that? All of them gone. Shot really well. Now I'm gonna have some fun. So see if I can shoot some pretty decent targets.